Barack Obama has made his final speech as President of the United States, and he left off where he had begun barely 9 years before, when he shot into the national consciousness from obscurity. Eloquent and measured, with it seemed every word weighed and considered, a far cry from the fairground barking we can expect for the next 4 years.
Democracy can buckle when it gives in to fear. And that's why for the past 8 years, I've worked to put the fight against terrorism on a firmer legal footing. That's why we've ended torture, worked to close Gitmo, reformed our laws governing surveillance to protect privacy and civil liberties. The unemployment rate is near a 10-year low. The uninsured rate has never, ever been lower. Healthcare costs are rising at the slowest rate in 50 years. And I've said, and I mean it, if anyone can put together a plan that is demonstrably better than the improvements we've made to our healthcare system that covers as many people at less cost, I will publicly support it. To Joe Biden, you were the first decision I made as a nominee, and it was the best. Michelle, you took on a role you didn't ask for, and you made it your own, with grace and with grit and with style and good humor. You have made me proud, and you have made the country proud. It has been the honor of my life to serve you. I won't stop. In fact, I will be right there with you as a citizen for all my remaining days. I'm asking you to believe, not in my ability to bring about change, but in yours. Yes, we can. Yes, we did. Yes, we can. Thank you. God bless you.
The Obamas also provided America with a family model. As a couple, the Obamas had a visible warmth and affection not seen since the Reagans, and their children managed to grow up in public without major scandal.